Hey everyone! If you're gearing up for an SAP ERP interview and wondering how to nail those questions with confident answers, this video is for you. We'll cover the top 15 most frequently asked questions in SAP ERP with practical answers that sound just like you're sitting in front of an interviewer. Let's make sure you walk in ready to impress, so grab a notepad and let's dive in. 1. What is SAP ERP and how does it benefit an organization? SAP ERP is an integrated enterprise resource planning software that helps organizations manage core business processes like finance, HR, logistics, and supply chain in a centralized system. By unifying data and automating workflows, it improves efficiency, accuracy, and decision-making across departments. 2. Can you explain the different modules in SAP ERP? Sure. SAP ERP consists of several functional modules such as FI, Financial Accounting, CO, Controlling, MM, Materials Management, SD, Sales and Distribution, PP, Production Planning, and HCM, Human Capital Management. Each module handles specific business functions and they're all interconnected to ensure a seamless data flow. 3. How does SAP ensure data integration across its modules? SAP uses a centralized database and standardized processes to ensure real-time data integration. For example, when a purchase order is created in MM, it automatically reflects in FI for accounting purposes. This tight integration reduces redundancy and errors. Let's jump into another commonly asked question. 4. What is the difference between SAP ECC and SAP S/4HANA? It's important to highlight that SAP ECC is the older version of SAP ERP, while SAP S/4HANA is the next generation ERP system that runs on the HANA in-memory database. S/4HANA offers better performance, a simplified data model, and an improved user experience through the Fiori interface. 5. Can you describe the basic organizational structure in SAP? This can be explained clearly by looking at the basic structure starts with the client, followed by company code, plant, storage location, and sales organization, depending on the module. These elements define the framework within which business transactions are processed in SAP. 6. What is a company code in SAP? A company code is the smallest organizational unit in SAP FI for which a complete, self-contained set of accounts can be created. It represents a legal entity and is used for external reporting like balance sheets and profit and loss statements. 7. What is a client in SAP? A client is the highest level element in the SAP system. It acts as an independent environment where data is stored and managed. Multiple clients can exist in a system, and each can represent different business entities or stages like development, testing, and production. 8. How are master data and transactional data different in SAP? Master data is relatively static and includes information like customer data, material data, and vendor details. Transactional data, on the other hand, is dynamic and generated through day-to-day business operations such as sales orders or purchase orders. This next one is a classic that shows up in many interviews. 9. What is the role of SAP FI module? SAP FI handles all financial transactions and reporting within the organization. It covers areas like accounts payable, accounts receivable, asset accounting, and general ledger, all critical for financial reporting and compliance. 10. Can you explain the SAP MM process flow? Certainly. The typical MM process flow starts with a purchase requisition, followed by a purchase order, goods receipt, and then invoice verification. This process ensures that materials are procured efficiently and recorded correctly in the system. 11. What is the purpose of the Sales and Distribution (SD) module? The SD module manages all customer-related processes from order creation to delivery and billing. It ensures that products reach customers efficiently while keeping track of revenue, logistics, and customer interactions. The next question is one you definitely don't want to miss. 12. How does SAP handle security and user roles? SAP uses role-based access control, where users are assigned roles that define what transactions they can perform. These roles are managed through authorization objects to ensure data integrity and restrict unauthorized access. 13. What is a posting period in SAP? A posting period defines the time frame during which financial transactions can be recorded. Organizations usually keep monthly periods open for accounting entries and control them using posting period variants to prevent unauthorized postings. 14. What are some common reports generated in SAP? Common reports include the balance sheet, profit and loss statement, stock overview, vendor aging, customer outstanding, and material consumption reports. These help in monitoring business performance and making strategic decisions. 15. Why should a company choose SAP ERP over other ERP systems? Here's how I usually explain this during interviews. SAP ERP is known for its robust integration, scalability, and industry-specific solutions. It's trusted by large enterprises globally due to its reliability, strong support community, and continuous innovation, especially with S/4HANA. And that wraps up our top 15 SAP ERP interview questions. By practicing these questions and answers, you're already ahead of the curve and ready to handle your interview with confidence. Whether you're a fresher exploring SAP or a professional aiming to switch roles, understanding the fundamentals and being able to speak clearly about your experience will go a long way. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment with your favorite question, or let me know what topic you'd like next. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on practical, career-boosting content like this. Thanks for watching and good luck with your SAP journey.